The return of the 2025 Ford LTL 9000. Cabover is nothing short of a thunderous nod to America's heavy-duty trucking heritage revived with 21st-century muscle and modern tech. Once a symbol of long-haul authority on U.S. interstates in the late 20th century, the LTL 9000 was Ford's heavyweight answer to the dominance of Kenworths and Peterbilt. Now, resurrected for the future, this Cabover legend comes redesigned for the electric age, combining brute strength with aerodynamic finesse and digital intelligence. The 2025 model is not a mere revival, it's a full-fledged reinvention. Powering this massive rig is an Cummins X15H hydrogen internal combustion engine rated at 500 to 550 horsepower, paired with an advanced 18-speed automated transmission. Alternatively, a fully electric powertrain option is rumored to deliver over 1,200 pounds-ft of torque instantly, aimed squarely at regional and intermodal hauls with zero emissions in mind. The LTL 9000's chassis and suspension setup have been completely re-engineered for comfort and efficiency, using lightweight composite materials in a fully integrated air ride system. This Cabover promises a smoother ride than many of its conventional long hood counterparts. The cabin is where the classic spirit truly meets the future, featuring a wraparound digital dash, AI-powered driver-assist systems, and an augmented reality windshield for optimal navigation and safety awareness. The once Spartan sleeper cab is now a luxury pod, outfitted with noise-canceling insulation, full climate control, modular sleeping quarters, and even a fold-down workstation. Compared to rivals like the 2025 Freightliner, Cascadia, SuperTech, or the Volvo VNL Electric Series, the Ford LTL 9000 Cabover stands out not just with its retro-modern styling, but with a tighter turning radius and better forward visibility, an advantage in urban logistics and tight terminals. While conventional trucks still dominate North America's highways, the Cabover configuration has seen a resurgence, especially among operators who value maneuverability and reduced overall length. The LTL 9000 is Ford's calculated response to this niche comeback, offering both classic brand loyalty and modern expectations. In terms of legacy, the original LTL 9000 helped Ford carve a place in Class 8 trucking during the 1980s, particularly favored by independent operators for its durability and American-built pride. Though Ford exited the Class 8 segment in the late 90s, the LTL name remained legendary among truckers and collectors. Its 2025 return symbolizes more than just marks a potential rebirth of Ford in the big rig arena. Looking ahead, the 2025 9000 Lithuanian could pave the way for Ford's deeper re-entry into the heavy truck market. With green propulsion options and tech-first engineering, this machine could bridge the gap between tradition and tomorrow, carving new lanes in the ever-evolving world of freight transportation.